Hi everyone, hope you are doing well. So, I'm just making this short video specifically for the freshers or the final year students as well. I have seen that I get a lot of queries. I try to answer each and every query that I get, but I have seen that you are still having some confusion in regards to the registration process, specifically for the freshers in TCS Next Step. So, by this video, I will just show you the exact process that you need to follow. Whether you are from IT background, non-IT background, it doesn't matter at all. So the process is almost the same. Just you need to select the specific, based on your study, you have to select the specific section, IT or BPS. So if you see, I'm just navigating to my browser. So what you need to do in Chrome, if you just type in TCS Next Step, so the very first URL that you will get is something like TCS Next Step page. Now, if you click on it, this is the dedicated platform for the freshers specifically. So here you will see a register now link over here. Okay. Now, if you just click on it, now it will redirect you to a page that is TCS Next Step select a category. Now you are seeing two categories over here. One is information technology, other one is the BPS. So if you are from BTech or MTech kind of background, you can choose IT. And from any graduation perspective, you can choose the BPS, business process services. So you have to choose based on the study that you are doing, whether you are in final year student, whether you are in like in final year, say for example, if you are doing BTech like 7 or 8 semester, if you have completed your studies and you are a fresher and looking for an opportunity specifically in TCS, so you can choose any of the options, and if you select any of those options, it will redirect to a uh, different page. This is the registration process initiation page. So what you need to do here is that you see, once I click on it, I choose IT. So here they are asking for an email address. So this will be your Gmail address or the personal email address that you are using, and it should be a valid one, should be a working one. So if you put an email address over here and click on that get OTP, so you will get an OTP on that particular email, which you need to collect and put here. So once you put the email and once you put the OTP as well, it will redirect you to the particular page where you need to fill up all the details, like your personal details, your name, first name, last name, date of birth, your address, and all these details will be submitted over there. And once you complete that, you will get you will get a reference ID, and you will get a you will create a password as well. So what it will do is that in coming days, whenever you will move to this particular platform, TCS Next Step, you no need to again register or doing something like that. What you can do is simply you can click on this login, and you can select the reference ID that you will get in your registered email address, and the password that you have created. So you use those two over here. You just need to put this captcha and login, and then you will move to your particular profile dashboard. So the objective of this TCS Next Step is that mm, in most cases, whenever there is an on and off campus hiring going on, you will get the info in your email, and often like you will get the informations once you log in into Next Step as well. So that is the objective of this particular portal. So whoever not yet registered, I'm saying that these are the steps that you need to do to register yourself in TCS Next Step. And apart from this particular one, and whoever already registered in it, I think like you can log in and check the details like your profile, and if you are getting any on or off campus updates, you can participate in those as well. The another important platform is the TCS NQT. So the TCS NQT is something like, if you just type in TCS NQT in the browser, you will get the TCS National Qualifier Test. So it will redirect you to this particular page. So any freshers, any final year students, you can explore this opportunity as well. You will see that there is an C test date and apply before there are dates mentioned over here. So you can just go through all the details mentioned over here, how the TCS NQT exam and how the scorecard of the TCS NQT works. So by this diagram also you are seeing each and every step, and details are mentioned over here. So you just need to go to this particular TCS NQT page where you see all the details mentioned. And there are also like the corporate career details mentioned over here. So you can go through with these options as well. Every single detail is mentioned, so you can check, and accordingly you can take the next step. So one thing important part that I already told you, that is the TCS next step, how to register. It is a very easy process. So I believe you will not have any issue further. The TCS NQT, it is also a very easy one, and you can easily register, and then once done you can just log in and appear for the examination on the mentioned date as well. The other point is specifically for the final year students or who are looking for the internship program in TCS. So if you just type in TCS internship, there is an URL specifically for TCS internship program. So here what you do is that if you just navigate the page, there are steps and details mentioned over here. So each and every details you can go through, you can read it out, and there is an apply now button as well. Here you will see the link, fill the internship form here, and also if you have any queries, there is an email address mentioned where you can share your query. So if you click on this particular link, it will redirect you to the internship form where you need to put your first name, last name, email, phone, and all other important details, and you need to submit it as well. So these are the three parts specifically for the freshers and the final year students. I believe these are the things that you can perform, or that you can do from your end, and then you can move on with the next processes whichever comes in your way. Now in regards to the experience, people who already have a profile in TCS and you are applying for any particular opportunity, or if you want to apply for any particular opportunity in TCS iBegin, so here is the URL that you can utilize. So if I just type TCS iBegin, I will see the particular URL over here. And in this particular URL, if I open it, you see there is a link for login. If you already have a profile in TCS iBegin, like you can log in, you can put your email, password, and you can directly log in over there. If you do not have a profile and you want to register, so if you click on that register with us, here you will get all the details that needs to be filled up. You need to upload your updated resume as well. Then next, and you need to put all the other necessary and important information to complete the whole profile. And then the EPID associated with your profile will be generated, and it will be in your email as well, because whichever email address you will put over here, that will be the main email address that will be used in further any communication from TCS. So these are the process that you can follow, and these are the same thing. Like if someone refers you, I think you will get a link, and once you click on that link, you need to fill up all these details as well. So the process is almost the same. You can register directly as well based on the skill set, based on the profile you are working on. And once you create the profile, you can just click on login. You can put the data, you can log in over there. Say for example, you are seeing a particular opening, say for example, automation testing selenium you are seeing. So there is a particular job id mentioned over there. Say for example, you are seeing it in linkedin. So you just need to log in, you need to search with that automation testing profile in the job search section, and you will see that particular opening as well in this portal. So you can directly apply as well by this process. So these are the four areas that I was planning to cover. I believe that I clarified a lot of your queries, specifically the freshers one. Still, if you have anything, definitely you can connect with me. But yes, if you go through with this areas, I think a lot of your queries and questions will be resolved. But still, if there is anything, do not hesitate to ping me. I will try to help you out on those. Yeah, thank you.